How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be back working on the 78 Corvette. We are probably going to start working on the interior a little bit today and pull the door panel off and try to fix the door handle. I can show you really quick. So what we're having an issue with is right here. So I'm going to just pull the door panel off and see if I can fix this, mount this back up the way it's supposed to be. And then we're going to change the oil. Then we're probably going to go ahead and change the oil. It was a little dirty when we looked at it last time. And then we're also going to go ahead and try to do the antenna today if we have time. If not, that'll be in the next video. So let's get to work on this thing. Let's get this thing jacked up and start changing the oil. So another thing we're going to look at too while we got this car in the air is the transmission pan is leaking a little bit. So what I'm going to do is try to tighten it first, and then if it still leaks, then we'll probably pull it off and, change the gasket and stuff. So we are using the AC Delco filter. Here's a part number. And then we're using full synthetic 5W30. So we got all the stuff. We got oil filter oil, and we got the carb in the air. So let's get this oil drained and change it. Oh yeah, that oil is really, really dirty. Yeah, that oil is very, very nasty. I'm really happy that we are going to end up changing it. Now it's time to get the filter off. I don't know where my filter wrenches are right now, so we're probably just going to go ahead and put a screwdriver through the filter to get it off. Yeah, so I don't know where my filter wrenches went. So we're probably just going to do the little more of a redneck way, put a screwdriver through it and try to get it off, because I don't really feel like trying to find mine right now in this big shop. So we're going to go ahead and just get the filter off the not so easy way, but it's still pretty easy. Hammer a screwdriver through the filter and it comes right off. Who needs a filter wrench? That's too easy. Make sure it went through. Probably through enough to get it off. Easy as pie. Kind of makes a little bit of a mess doing it that way too, but it also, I guess, drains the oil before I pull it out. So we went ahead and drained all the oil, so we're going to get the filter and the oil in, and then let's get onto that door panel. I'm really excited to get that fixed because it's kind of annoying when you got to shut the door. And sorry for the background noise. It just started pouring rain here, so if you hear a little bit of that, I really apologize. So we got the oil done, so let's get into the interior and try to get that door panel off. So now we're going to see if we can get this door panel off. Well, it might be a little tricky. I know there's some clips, but there's also a bunch of screws. Let's do this the easy way. Screwdriver. One up here that we need. I think this whole paint will just pop off. As far as I can see. As far as I know, it just has clips. Oh no, there's some. I take that back. There's some underneath the door. On the bottom. I just want to be sneaky, I guess. Now the door panel should come off. That's the hope anyway. Should just pop. There's more screws. See if we can get these. See if we can go ahead and get these off. So we got to this point and we are about to pull this off. Hopefully it comes off pretty easy and we don't break any tabs. That's the hope. So we got to the point where we figured out what was wrong with the handle, and it's kind of disappointing that I just took this all apart. So if you look right up in there, there's supposed to be a bolt in there and or a screw. Well, it was completely missing, and that's exactly why this was not tightening up. It's kind of irritating that I just took this whole thing apart just to find out that, hey, maybe I should put a screw in there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. We have a lot of new content coming to the channel. There's going to be 1 or 2 more videos with this car, and then we're going to start the next project, which is not also just like some like finishing touch stuff. We have the next video with this car. We're going to be pulling out the gauge cluster. We have a brand new clock for it that we're going to go ahead and put in it, and then, you know, try to clean up the gauges a little bit. And then after that, then maybe work on the antenna. I haven't taken a look at it to see what's involved in wiring it up. It's unfortunately they don't make one for this car, so we had to use like just one that we found from a different car that would work on it. It's pretty close to the original. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. There's going to be a lot of content coming pretty soon. We are now doing weekly videos, which is really awesome for the channel, and I'm hoping I'm able to grow it. So I know we didn't do a lot today. However, in the next video, it's going to be a little more hands-on stuff with the car. And then here, and we need to get working back on the BRZ also. So a lot of new content coming. We're doing now weekly videos, and it's really awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support, and we'll see you in the next one.